In today's video, we're going to cover the dreaded wheel lock. Now, whenever I'm teaching a class, I always ask the riders, how many of you have ever fully locked your handlebars? And they always look at me with that same look, as if I've said a bad word or like I'm speaking a foreign language. Now, there isn't a lot of videos on wheel lock, so today we're going to talk about the role that wheel lock plays in tightening up your U-turns. And at the end of this video, I'm going to give you my opinion on why I think riders have a hard time locking their handlebars. So stay tuned. Hey guys, it's Paul the Motor Guy, and welcome to my Prorider Central Texas YouTube channel. Now, this is your first time here, and you're serious about improving your skills and taking your riding to the next level, then hit that subscribe button and that bell icon so you don't miss any new videos. Now, this video is part 5 of a 5-part series on how to improve your U-turns. So if you missed any of the previous videos, go check them out. Okay guys, in order to make a tight U-turn, full handlebar lock is a must. When you fully lock the handlebars, you get the maximum turning radius of the motorcycle. If you fail to go to full lock, the only way to make up the difference is to lean the motorcycle. So depending on how short you are from full lock would depend on how much motorcycle lean you would need to compensate for it. If you simply turn your handlebars to full lock, you will not have to work as hard to make that tight U-turn. Now I know it's easier said than done, but what I'm about to share with you next may make it a little bit easier. Okay, so here's my theory on why I believe riders have a hard time with full handlebar lock. Now, we all rode bicycles as kids growing up, and what happens if you turn the handlebars on a bicycle? That's right, they keep turning and the bicycle flips over. I broke my nose as a kid doing this. I went to pedal, the handlebars turned, the bicycle flipped over, and I broke my nose. Now I know you're saying, what does this have to do with riding a motorcycle? But bear with me. When we sit on our motorcycles, the brain relates it to riding bicycles because there are similarities. We sit on it like a bicycle, there's handlebars like a bicycle, hand grips like a bicycle. But there's one big difference. And usually when I show this to riders, the light bulb goes off. But it still takes time and practice to deprogram our brains from our childhood memories. So now I'm going to talk about the big difference I mentioned earlier between a motorcycle and a bicycle. If you notice in this video, when I turn the handlebars to full lock, it stops at about 45 degrees, unlike a bicycle. So during your next practice session, work on locking your handlebars. It may take time, but start with where you're comfortable and slowly work towards full lock. Again, I want to thank you for watching, and I hope this video helps you get past the fear of that dreaded wheel lock. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like it and share it. Also, if you missed the other previous videos, be sure to go check them out. And also, hit up on that comment section below and leave any tips you've used to help you with your handlebar lock. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. So until next time, ride safe.